5 million Kula has been allocated to Kula token holders for participation in several activities. You can earn up to 45 Kula tokens through social bounties and by participating in the Kula ICO airdrop. You can also refer your friends and earn up to 30 Kula every time a unique referred friend buys Kula tokens. Log in to your ICO account to refer friends or claim social bounties. Enter your credentials and click Log In. Obtain your unique tracking link by clicking on the referral button on the top right of the screen, or select Referrals from the menu. Click on Copy and share the link with your friends. To claim social bounties or to view which ones are available to you, select Bounty from the menu. To learn more about the requirements to become eligible for a bounty, click on the question mark in the top right corner. Here you can find all the information regarding the specific bounty and reward campaigns. Select a bounty or campaign in which you would like to participate, such as the Facebook bounty, and log in to your account. Once logged in, browse to the official Kulaplaza Facebook page. Follow and like the Kulaplaza Facebook page. Share one of the Kulaplaza posts on your newsfeed and copy the link. If your Facebook is private, make a screenshot of the post you shared as you will need it later. Once you have copied the link or made a screenshot, like one of the Kulaplaza posts to finish the bounty requirements and go back to the bounty section of your Kula ICO account. Click on Apply, enter the link or paste the screenshot. If your Facebook name differs from the name used in your Kula ICO account, provide the name and explanation in the notes. After submitting, you will receive your reward once the bounty has been verified. Complete all bounties to receive even more rewards.